One of the most common questions I get all the time is, what PLR should I get so I could promote and even make money online? So I was looking around, and this product is Clickbank Marketing Secrets. And I spoke to the vendor, the producer of this PLR, and I did like this product. I think this is a great way to change up this PLR, make it yours, and sell it and start making money with PLR. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, using PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And get my PLR checklists. The link is below this video. So this is a great PLR product that is not a lot of money. Now, I will tell you right now, it says the price increases to $37. That was because there was a launch a while ago, and the price is now $37. So that's that. The nice thing about this product, the Clickbank Marketing Secrets, is it's evergreen, meaning so many people want to know how to sell products on Clickbank and how to use Clickbank. And this is a great product to sell yourself. So you're going to create a product out of this PLR that will show people how to make money with Clickbank. The main part of the product is 10 chapters long. This is a real book that you can sell. And when I show you about the upgrade version, you can actually get this done with videos, which is wonderful, and you can increase the price. So here's what you get for $37. You get the book. It's PDF version, and it's also the version where you could put it into Pages and Word and change it up, put your name on it, and make it yours. Module 2 is the cheat sheet. I use a lot of cheat sheets in the products that I make up because people want something quick and easy, and this is really easy for you to turn it into your own product. It comes with a mind map, a resource report. You get the sales letters and everything, and you get all of these with your $37. The nice thing is, I usually only use a few things. Something like Module 1, Module 4, the resource report, and probably the e-covers that this has. And they give you some really good ones. And it's nice because your product is almost done. You just have to change it up a little bit, put your name on it, and sell it. So this is what you get, and this is downloaded to my computer, and it has the instructions and the training guide. This is the PDF version, but this is what it looks like. And you can change it up, rewrite it any way you want to do, because it's yours. This is the cheat sheet, and I love cheat sheets. And the resource report, and the high quality graphics for the book covers. And you get the regular version, and you get the one that you can change with Photoshop and any other programs that do that. They're pretty. I like them. You know what? It's excellent. Neat stuff. So once you get it for $37, you get to this page, and this is the upgrade version. And you get a lot of stuff with this, but for me, I use the videos, which it increases the value of the product. So if you're selling something for about $17 for the initial product, you could bump it up another $10, $15. And you have a real product to sell. It comes with all the sales pages, the sales video, and everything that you need to sell this product to your customers. And when you get the upsell, this is what it looks like. So here are some of the training videos.
Your Clickbank success depends on the niche you choose. How do 3-layer conversion systems work for Clickbank marketing?
The nice thing is it's not AI voice, it's a real voice. Now, you can always take the audio out of the video and put your own voice in there, but if it's already done, it's already done, which is nice. Then there's the giveaway report. So it's a lead magnet. It's already done for you. I would make it a little prettier, change the font, make it bigger. But you know what? It's done. It's nice. So this is really a good product to sell. Start making money with your PLR And I like it because it's about Clickbank. It's evergreen. People want this, and you can make a real business out of PLR just like this. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, using PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.